Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have my mom here to teach us how to make fresh basil pesto pasta.
大家好，我是Cheryl妈妈。我们今天要教大家做的呢是青酱意大利面。
Yeah, so before we start, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know in the comments down below if you actually try it and how it tastes like. This is a very healthy and delicious dish or pasta.
谢谢大家收看。青酱意大利面这道料理呢，主要把这个酱料准备好了以后呢，其实呢是一道非常简单的料理啊，它是既好吃又健康的料理，希望大家会喜欢。
She's a good cook, so let me know if you enjoyed today's video, so I would have her on my channel more often to teach us how to make different dishes in the future. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye! 雪莉儿的妈妈。
不是啊，雪莉儿这样很怪啊！我就说我是 Cheryl。
好，
我要挥手吗？
你开心就好。My mom here to teach us how to make fresh basil pesto pasta. 不行 now we're going to show you guys. 我又不会做的。
我手这样还不错吧？你可能要太
Alright guys. 就这样。
刚刚那个
你刚刚讲很多
青酱
就这样。
好像不是，
就这样吧。
希望大家会喜欢嘛。
哎
啊，再重来啊！谢谢大家。啊，重来。我讲，
你就 Thanks for watching. Bye. 你都没有。Thanks for watching. 你怎么那么慢？Thanks for watching.